Okay, hi Abby. Congratulations on winning the Josef Herman Award this year. It's an award that the Josef Herman Foundation gives to a recent graduate from Fine Art in Swansea College of Art every year. This is the second year of the award, as it happens. And it's in memory of one of the trustees, Carolyn Davies. So huge congratulations on winning the award this year. So could you tell us a little bit about your work?
Yeah, so before lockdown started, a lot of my work was to do with light and the perception of light in a space and how light affects the human eye. Like, for example, I had a solo show at GS Artists Swansea at the beginning of this year where I explored everything like that in an installation space. A lot of my work is also to do with symbols and things that connect us throughout the world and shared experiences, basically. So since COVID has started, I've tried to mix up my art a little bit, as I only thought I'd be home for a week, working in the studio for a week, and I ran out of all of my materials. So I decided to start doing work online on my computer instead. So I've been making little animations of my experience of lockdown using symbols that I'm hoping will connect other people to create a sort of shared experience that I can share online.
Yeah, well, that's really interesting, because one of the comments the panel made was that they felt that your work worked in the real world and in this digital world, that it crossed, and it crossed really easily. Evidently art isn't easy, but that's the impression that your work gave. So that's really interesting for you to say that. As part of the award, you get some money. What's your plan with the money, or do you have plans for the money?
Yeah, and my plan currently with the money is to rent out a studio space for the next 6 months in Swansea. And then with whatever money I have left over, I want to put it towards materials and getting work ready for the show that I will hopefully have with the Josef Herman Foundation, obviously depending on how lockdown carries on.
Yeah. Good, brilliant, that sounds fantastic. So yeah, we're in a very strange position, and part of the award that you get is the opportunity to have a relationship with Josef Herman Foundation, and that could be up to you really, to have an exhibition or to have an artist talk, or whatever that is. And of course the Josef Herman Foundation love to create connections with the art world, and so that relationship can continue really. So yeah, congratulations then. So brilliant. So nice to have a chat with you, Abby, and good luck with spending the money.
Thanks. Bye.